Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Cricket Wireless and a really good promotion they have with an iPhone. So let's get into it and we'll talk about it in just a little bit. So if you go to cricketwireless.com and scroll down a little bit, guys, you will see right here. Check it out. iPhone SE 2nd Gen for $0. Yes, guys. So you can get an iPhone SE 2nd Gen for only $0. It's free, so can't beat that, right? So let's get into it. It says small iPhone, huge performance, low price. This promotion does end on August 25th. So you got a little bit over a month to get this promo. So it says, must bring your number and purchase 3 months of the $60 monthly plan. First 3 months service charge and taxes due at sale. So you have to get this phone, for free, guys. You have to port your number from a competing carrier. It cannot be AT&T related. And you must purchase 3 months of the $60 a month plan ahead of time. So it's $180. Which is not bad at all, you know. Now, like I say, you have to purchase. So basically, for $180. Now, remember, for $180, you're also getting 3 months of service. So technically, yes, you're still getting the phone for free, but you have to purchase the 3 months of service. And of course, taxes and fees are due on sale. Of course, account will remain subscribed to the 60 monthly plan for 3 months. Requires new account. Additional fees may apply, restrictions apply. So basically, you have to keep this plan or for 3 months. The $60 a month plan, you cannot go down. Which either way, why would you, since you already paid ahead of time? You know, so it'd be kind of dumb to lower it. But overall, this is a really good phone. Let's go ahead and click buy now. So as you can see, they have the 64 with this promo. It's a 64 gig, so right off the bat, so big, you know, switch and save. Get the iPhone SE 2nd Gen 64 gig for only $0 when you bring your number and activate a 60 a month plan today. Like I said, restrictions apply. It's 3 months. I should probably tell you that. But still, iPhone SE is a really good phone, guys. 64 gig, you know, you can get it in red. I would say let's do the red one. That's the one I like. Of course, it's the non-5G model. This is a 3rd Gen now, but newer current, for current, of course, it's $200, which is still a good price. But new customers, you get it for $100 off. $100 off. You get it for $0. Sorry, should I say? For new, if you get a new number without bringing your number over, it still costs you $200. So you're saving $200 by switching to Cricket. So like I said, there's promotion, switch and save, not bad at all. So let's see what you get for this price. So this is a 4.7-inch display, 12 megapixel camera, 64 gigs of storage, which is great. Does have the A13 Bionic chip, which is really good. A fastest chip in a smartphone for incredible performance in apps, games, and photography. Portrait mode for studio quality portraits and 6 lighting effects. Next generation smart HDR for incredible details across highlights and shadows. Of course, you can record in 4K. The battery, it says long battery life. The main thing with this phone is their battery life is pretty bad. Of course, the phone's smaller, so you might have to charge it about 3 times a day depending on use. Features, like I said, it's pretty cool. 4.7-inch water resistant for 1 meter for 30 minutes on a slim lighter design. Really good phone, really good camera. iPhone 11 Pro called and wants its chip back. So this one has the iPhone 11 Pro chip built into it. It's kind of like an engine swap. I tell people, you know, it's the same body, but because it's literally the same body as an iPhone 8, guys, if you look at it. But the internals is what got revamped, you know. So pretty cool. Like I said, definitely can record in 4K. Will drain your battery. Binge-worthy battery life, like I said, long stretch right there, I wouldn't say. Good privacy, of course, is iPhone. Does have dual SIM and dual numbers. True Tone, haptic touch, augmented reality, audio sharing, faster Wi-Fi and cellular data, and stereo audio recording. So pretty cool. Overall, I think for the price on this phone, it's definitely worth it. Like I said, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and remember, Cricket runs on AT&T's network, so if you have Metro or Boost or anybody that doesn't use AT&T's network, well, Boost now kind of uses AT&T's network. But you know, if you have another competing carrier that doesn't use AT&T's network, you can definitely switch and save. So really good promo. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this and would you get this deal. I know I would, so check it out.